Good morning to everyone and once again welcome to Geography class. In this class we are going to see the chapter number 4 of Geography. The name of the chapter is Maps. So let's proceed. Here we are going to see about the chapter number 4 Map. In that we are going to see topic number 1 types of map. So maps are very important to us. And why we are using map? So already some of you are knowing about atlas. In atlas, number of maps are there, different types of maps are there, so many components are there of map we are going to see in this particular topic. So let's move. I request you all to have your notebook and a pen to copy down the important point from this presentation. Let's proceed. First, this is the learning objective, which is going to make you enable to understand the importance of map, right? Next, in this particular point, we are going to see about the different types of map, then components of map, and what is the globe, already we have seen, then also we are going to discuss about this, and sketch versus plan we are going to see in this all. Next, first, inquisitive question. Here I am placing the few questions for you. Please copy down this question and try to answer this question. You are free at your home now, so you can write the question and you can answer them. Question number 1. How can one find out the location of countries? Already we have seen this topic. The question is, how can one find out the location of the country? Question number 2 for you. How is a map more helpful than a globe? Okay, map and globe. Globe also showing some very useful information and map is also showing. Next, why are maps necessary? What is the importance of map? Why maps are necessary? Next, what makes map reading easier? So, if we are having legends, we are having key features that are useful to read, or the conventional symbols, whatever it may be, you can place the answer. Next, what is a scale and how is it helpful while making map? What is the scale? We are going to see all this stuff. Next, these all questions you have to write in your notebook. After writing it, when this chapter is going to be over, after that you have to write the answer. Okay? First today copy it down as I am going to explain you step by step. As the topic will cover, you should write the answer of that particular question. Okay? Next, we are going to cover in this whole chapter these following points. Right? So the following points are here. Please see. In this chapter, we are going to see about what is map, characteristics of map, components of map, conventional symbol, types of map, physical, political, thematical, large scale map, small scale map, globe and sketch versus plan. Right? Next, we are going to start our chapter. First, maps. You have learned in the previous chapter about the advantages of globe. What is globe? Alright, a miniature form of the earth or a true model of the earth. However, globe has a limitation as well. A globe can be useful when we want to study the earth as a whole. When we are studying the earth as a whole, then globe is very, very important. What about next? But when we want to study only a part of the earth, as about our country, state, district, town, village, it is the little help. It is going to be having only little help. In such situation, we use map. A map is a representation or a drawing of the earth's surface or a part of it drawn on a flat surface according to the scale, but it is possible to the flattened round shape completely. Right? So what is map? The definition is from here. A map is a representation up to here. Right? What is map? Is a representation or a drawing of the earth's surface or a part of it drawn on a flat surface according to a scale. With a proper scale, the part of the earth, the portion of the earth, a drawing or a representation is called as map. Next, we find that the maps are useful to us for various purposes. One map shows a small area and a few facts. Another map may contain many facts as a big book. Many maps are put together, we get an atlas. You are knowing in atlas we are having number of maps. Already I stated to you. Are the various size, measurement drawn on the different scale. So finally, we are moving into the topic to discuss about the different types of maps. Maps provide more information than a globe. They are different types, some of them are described below. So in this particular topic, in this chapter, we are going to understand about the three types of map. The maps are of three types in this chapter. The chapter number 4, map of geography. We are going to see the three types of maps, that is the political, thematical and physical map. Right? What are political map, what are physical map and what is thematic map, we are going to see in this presentation. How many types of maps are there in your syllabus? 3 types of maps are there, right? So one by one we are going to understand them. So these are the characteristics of map. Please copy down this. A map should typically have latitude and longitude, a title in a bold letter at the top, an arrow indicating the direction, north placed to the top, the legend indicating the symbol used on the map, and optionally color to indicate the content in a map like water, mountain and plants. Next, for example, this is a map of India. Here you are seeing at the top, the title is here, India map. This is there, colors are shown. For water, blue is, for land, brownish or yellowish. First title, please have attention. Title, right? Then legend. Here it is. The next, latitudes and longitudes. These lines are going on. In the textbook also they are giving. These are vertical and horizontal line, latitudes and longitudes. Right? Again I will tell you. These longitudes, vertical lines, then these lines, latitudes. Next, scale. Right? Scale is indicated here. Colors are shown to you. See? Blue and yellow. Right? Now we are going to see the types of map. Please copy down. There are 3 types of map. Right? So we are going to have discussion on this types of map. Physical map, political map, thematic maps. Map can also be categorized on the basis of scale. There are large scale map and small scale map. First we will see the types of map. First, physical map. Physical map. Physical maps are those maps which are showing the natural features of the earth's surface like mountain, plains, river, etc. are called physical or relief map. Right? They are showing the relief features of a particular area. Image shown a relief map of India. Right? Here we are going to see the map of India. This is the physical map of India. In that we are seeing the mountain, plateau, plain, right? And so on. Next, political map. Political maps, maps showing the city, town, villages and different countries and states of the world with their boundaries are called as political map. So what is political map? Let's see the image. So this is the political map. Here we are seeing the Karnataka, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh. All the boundaries are being mentioned here, national and international. Next, thematic maps. Thematic maps that focus on a specific information such as road, rainfall, distribution of forest, industry, etc. are called as thematic maps. Now we are going to see about the two maps which are talking about India's natural vegetation and climatic zone. This is the natural vegetation. We are going to discuss this topic in the last chapter, and another one, that is the climatic zone. See, so these type of maps are called as thematic map. What are physical map? What are political map? Please see it properly. Next, thematic maps, more example. Image below shows the thematic map of Indian Railway and a minor crop. Notice the usage of color, legend and symbols. Please see, this is the thematic map, right? And major crop area. The symbols are there, everything has been placed. Moving further, components of map. As in this chapter we are seeing the three types of map. The map is also having the three components, right? Distance, direction and symbol. First, we are going to have a topic on distance. Maps are drawn to reduce scale. A scale is chosen to represent the distance between the two places. Scale, what is the meaning of scale? Scale is the ratio between the actual distance on the ground to the distance shown in a map. What is direction? The direction, that means four directions we are knowing about that: north, east, west and south. These are the cardinal points. Symbol gives a lot of information in a limited space, right? So next we are going to see about the direction. After that we are going to see about the symbol. And this point we are going to cover in the upcoming presentation. These are conventional symbols like that: train, airport, church and all. Here plus sign should be there, right? Fuel and all. Next, lastly, I want to say you about that whatever the homework I placed to you, please do it in your notebook, and plus in the upcoming presentation please read this chapter, and if you are having any doubt and difficulty please let me know that. Thank you to each and everyone. Jai Hind.